These are your two bloodwood paddles to choose from. Number 1 is slightly larger than number 2. I'll show you that one first. As with all Edgeplay Foundry paddles, it comes with a handmade bag, and it has a drawstring on it for storage. It's nice and soft, won't scratch the paddles. And the paddles themselves, number 1 is slightly larger than number 2. So the wood, it has a nice chatoyance in it. Changes really nicely in the light. And it has the Edgeplay Foundry brand right here on the handle. I've made it small handled. Both of them are small handled. So I have sort of average size hands, and it feels a little small in mine, and I think it should fit nicely for the small handled category. This is number 1 still. So we'll get the width. It's 0.744 inches thick, so essentially 3/4 of an inch. And the width of the paddle, this one's slightly wider than the other one to maintain the proportions, 3.07 inches. The length is just over 13.5 inches. And the bloodwood is, it's very dense. This paddle will sink in water if you happen to put it in. Don't put it in water, but if you did, it would sink. Has a lot of impact for the size of the paddle, as it's one of the denser woods. I'll show you the second one, number 2. Slightly smaller, and the wood does have that really nice chatoyance in it. It's also figured. This is sort of a little light spot in the coloring. It's totally natural. I think it's interesting. Here is the brand in the handle. These brands never quite go on perfectly, so it's I don't know, just take it as a sign that it's handmade. Okay, so here's the thickness, 0.738, and the width, slightly narrower than the other one, not much, just a little, 2.94, and the length, it's right at 13 inches. I have medium hands, and so you can judge by that it's somewhat small for the handle. And those are your two paddles. Let me know which one you like more, and we'll set it up for you.